In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change an issue resolution in Jira. With many teams relying on Jira for their project management needs, understanding how to navigate and make changes within the platform is crucial for streamlining workflows and maintaining clarity within your projects. So, let's dive right in and explore the steps you need to follow to change an issue resolution effectively. To begin with, you'll want to head over to Jira. Make sure that you're logged into your account so you can access all the functionalities we'll be discussing. Once you're on the Jira homepage, focus your attention on the left side of the screen where you'll see options like Spaces or Projects. This is your first stop. Now, click on Spaces or Projects. This will open up all the project areas within your Jira interface. Depending on how your Jira instance is set up, you may see different projects listed, so just go ahead and click on the one you're currently working on or need to modify. After clicking on the desired project, you'll be redirected to the project's main page. Here, look for the option labeled All Work. You'll want to click on this to view a comprehensive list of all the tasks and issues currently associated with your project. This view will help you visualize everything that's been assigned or needs your attention. Once inside All Work, locate the option that says More Filters and click on it. This feature allows you to sort through your tasks and issues with more precision, which is extremely helpful when dealing with large projects or multiple team assignments. Under the More Filters section, you'll be able to search specifically for resolutions. Use the search bar to filter the tasks or issues you need to assess or modify. This search function is a real time saver and ensures you're focusing on the right tasks. Once you've identified the specific issue you need to change, click on Resolution. This action will display the current status of the issue, whether it's marked as done, unresolved, or perhaps won't do. Here you can explore different resolution statuses available to you. Finally, select the resolution you want from the available options, such as unresolved, done, won't do, duplicate, cannot reproduce, or declined. This selection will update the issue status accordingly, helping your team stay informed about the progress or challenges associated with a given task. And that's how you can change an issue resolution in Jira. Remember, keeping your project statuses updated is essential for transparency and effective project management. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial makes managing your workflow in Jira a little easier. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.